Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is a letter writing. Write a letter to your younger brother on the value of discipline in life. Own address: Dear Arnav, hope you are well. I am also fine. It is a long time I could not come home, but I promise I will definitely come in this puja. But today I am writing this letter as a reply of father's letter. In this letter, he told me about the guardian's call from your school. I came to know about your indisciplined lifestyle and irregularity in academics. You are not going to school daily, bunking tuition classes, not doing homework, and getting busy in games and social media, etc. First of all, I want to tell you that this is the age when you can make the base of your future. If you maintain this kind of lifestyle, this will harm you because without discipline, there is no success. A student who is disciplined, who is regular at studies, is sure to prosper in life. So, I would ask you to observe discipline in all of your activities. I will check your routine on my next visit. Take my love and give my regards to dad and mom. Yours loving, own name, brother's address. Thanks for watching. Please stay with me and like, share, subscribe.